Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to tell if someone may have blocked you on Signal using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to the chat with the person you think may have blocked you. Send a message. Normally, Signal shows one check mark means message sent, two check mark that means message delivered. If you are blocked, your message will not only ever show one check mark and they will never turn into two. This is the biggest sign, but remember it could also mean their phone is off or they have no signal. Try calling them on Signal. If you are blocked, the call often won't connect at all. It may ring once and stop or fail immediately. Again, this isn't perfect proof, but it's another strong clue. If the person changes their Signal name, profile photo, or info, you never see any update, it could mean you are blocked, but this only helps if you know they recently changed something. If days pass and your message always stay on one check mark, even when you know the person normally use their phone, it strong suggests you may have been blocked. Signal doesn't confirm blocking to protect privacy, so none of these signs are 100% guaranteed. Phones dies, people delete the app, or they may just be offline, and that's it. Those are the main ways to say if someone might block you on Signal. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.